Having trouble falling asleep? Tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, watching the hours tick by. You're not alone. So many of us struggle to get that deep, restorative sleep our bodies and minds crave. But what if the secret to a peaceful night wasn't in a pill bottle, but right in your kitchen cabinet? Tonight, we're diving into 5 natural, delicious drinks that can help you drift off into a deep, blissful sleep. Stick around, because you might just find your new favorite bedtime ritual. Let's start with a timeless classic, something your grandmother probably recommended, a warm glass of milk. It's not just an old wives' tale. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin helps you feel calm and relaxed, while melatonin is the key hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. When you gently heat the milk, it can make it even more soothing and comforting, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. A small glass, about an hour before bed, can work wonders. If you're lactose intolerant, don't worry. Unsweetened almond milk is a great alternative as it's also rich in magnesium, another mineral that promotes relaxation. It's simple, effective, and a wonderfully gentle way to start your journey to dreamland. Next up, let's talk about a floral favorite, chamomile tea. This beautiful, daisy-like flower has been used for centuries as a mild tranquilizer and sleep aid. When you brew a cup of chamomile tea, you're releasing a powerful antioxidant called apigenin. This compound binds 2 specific receptors in your brain that can decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. Think of it as a gentle hug for your nervous system. The warm, slightly sweet, and apple-like aroma of chamomile is incredibly calming in itself. For the best results, steep your chamomile tea bag or loose leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes to really extract all that goodness. Sipping this golden brew before bed can become a beautiful, mindful ritual that tells your body and mind, the day is done. It's time to rest. Now, for a vibrant and powerful option, golden milk. If you haven't tried this yet, you're in for a treat. Golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic drink made with milk, dairy, or plant-based and a superstar spice, turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chronic inflammation can disrupt sleep patterns, so by calming inflammation, curcumin can help pave the way for better rest. Most golden milk recipes also include other wonderful spices like cinnamon and ginger, which aid digestion and add to the warming, comforting effect. A pinch of black pepper is often added, too, as it significantly increases the absorption of curcumin. This isn't just a drink. It is a wellness elixir that tastes incredible and works from the inside out to prepare your body for deep, healing sleep. It's like a cozy, spicy latte for bedtime. Moving on to a fruity and surprisingly effective choice, Tart cherry juice. Specifically, from Montmorency cherries. This isn't your average sweet cherry juice. Tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, that all-important sleep hormone we talked about earlier. Studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice can increase melatonin levels and improve both sleep duration and quality. In addition to melatonin, tart cherries are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce muscle soreness and discomfort, making it easier to get comfortable and stay asleep. For best results, look for 100% pure tart cherry juice with no added sugar. A small glass in the morning and another one an hour or 2 before bed could be the game changer you've been looking for to beat insomnia naturally. It's a delicious and science-backed way to support your body's natural sleep cycle. Finally, let's explore a potent herbal remedy, valerian root tea. Valerian root has been a go-to herb for sleep issues for thousands of years, and for good reason. It's thought to work by increasing the levels of a neurotransmitter in the brain called GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid. When GABA levels are low, we can feel anxious and restless. By boosting GABA, valerian root helps to quiet down the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of calm that makes it easier to fall asleep. It's one of the more powerful natural sedatives. The taste of valerian root can be quite earthy and strong for some, so you might want to mix it with a little honey or pair it with another calming herb like lemon balm. Because of its potency, it's a good idea to start with a small amount and see how you feel. For those nights when you really need some extra help quieting a racing mind, valerian root tea can be an incredibly effective ally. So, how do you choose the right drink for you? It's all about listening to your body and a little bit of experimentation. If you're looking for simple comfort, warm milk is a great start. If your mind is racing with anxiety, chamomile or valerian root might be your best bet. If you're dealing with physical aches or inflammation, golden milk or tart cherry juice could provide that extra layer of relief. It's also important to create a whole routine around your bedtime drink. Don't just chug it down while scrolling on your phone. Take the time to prepare it mindfully. Put on some calming music, dim the lights, and really savor the warmth and aroma. Let this be the first step in your wind-down process. Use this time to disconnect from the stresses of the day and signal to your brain that sleep is on the way. The ritual itself is just as important as the ingredients in your cup. Try one of these drinks for a few nights in a row and see how you feel. You might be amazed at how a simple, natural beverage can transform your nights and, in turn, your days. Sweet dreams are just a sip away. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope these suggestions help you find the deep, peaceful sleep you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more wellness tips. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, sleep well.